actually pulling back. YouTube, what's going on? Talking about gold right now. Yeah, it's a time where it's actually pulling back, and you can kind of get some practice on it. Looking at adding precious metals to back to the fold, so I'm gonna get a nice batch going on gold with my strategy. Anyway, though, what's going on, guys? Nice to be back, man. Happy Tuesday, man. Things have been pretty wild in the markets, but never a dull moment. Yesterday was kind of crazy with the AWS outage. I don't know if you guys were affected, but Top Step X definitely was, and a couple of other live brokerages, Robinhood, stuff like that. Anyway, though, 950, about to go ahead and finish up my run plan on ES. Got Top Step TV over here. They're live today. Back from the outage. Just gonna check these boys out, and yeah, we here, guys. About to go ahead and get situated.
67, 63 just printed. Crude, it continued to go lower now. NASDAQ feeling heavy. NASDAQ trading 25,000. 228. Antonio short 2 from micros from 25,000. 266. Target of 100. 25,100. You move your stop. Is your stop in profit now, Antonio, or how do you manage that? When
Yes,
you
my stop
Alright,
is
finally
just slightly in
Ooh,
profit. I have 2 micros, so
look
it
at the
may still
CBD.
end up in a
Just sold
small
down in there. You
loss
see
if
that?
it gets hit,
Yeah, that's what I'm
but I'd
talking
rather
about.
take that than having it in the negative.
That's,
So at least we get enough.
that's what I'm talking about. Doing a little bit of research on order flow. Right now, doing a little study on order flow, adding it to my arsenal since it kind of correlates super good with supply and demand areas. As price runs into those areas, you can check the order flow delta and see who's in control. So that's gonna be fun. All right, this is for my gold. It's a spread 4-hour on gold at last week. So last week low longs on gold. Not mad at it. I'll put that practice on. ES. Excuse me. ES. Waiting for this candle to close. This is where kind of order flow come in handy, because also you see this doji candle on the 4-hour about to close right now, deciding to whether close red or green. That's literally buyers and sellers fighting. Once this candle closes, if it closes green or red, that'll show who won. But if you're going off order flow and the volume footprint, then you're able to see like if there's any imbalances, price closed above or below any imbalances, and if you could possibly fill that imbalance. Yeah, man, let me finish up my ES. Let's get a nice little sub. Nice red candle in the zone on ES. Candle closes right here. You anchor yourself. This would be the buy location ES. If this candle closes green. If not, you're going to be stepping in front of a SL4. SL4, no spreads right now. We got a low of 63, high 77, not 20 points, so it's no spread on that candle. No spread on the candle, so how it's going to close is going to determine a lot. Check out MQ. About 100 points on MQ. Spread, correct? So the SL 4-hour signal, if this candle closes like this, it'll be a sell on previous day high. 25,314 off the candle, and previous day high at about 25,360. 10 minutes to my execution time. Well, about 7 minutes, excuse me. So it's prime time, man. That's what I'm kind of seeing. ES is going to provide a trade. It is the unch play like always, but 67.66 long, so you'd be broke even by previous day high. We'll be plotting on a breakout. So I say it's a B grade setup. YM is right at his previous day high. So YM still candidate for breakout. Alright, so that's going to have me a little patient. Because if YM's the leader and it's breaking out, if it decides to pull back any, it's going to stop out any longs on NQ or ES. So just want to be cautious there. Alright, 6 minutes. Make sure you guys got your specs on. Yes. Finish up this run plan. Make sure you do all your steps, guys.
We've got the all-time high just above that, so I'm looking for an area to recover, get some structure, and then possibly look for longs in the Nasdaq. So I'm kind of aligned with Dakota on that. As far as the S&Ps are concerned, S&Ps holding up seemingly just a little bit better. We're missing a little bit of information from yesterday. However, the initial balance high from yesterday was 67.64 half, right near our overnight low. We did sweep below that overnight low, and we've kind of recovered that. So I'm kind of looking at possible support here. If we can't hold that, then I can see plenty of space down below. We do have a session gap from Friday to Monday. We get into that session gap. That gap closes down to 67.18. Fascinating markets today. Good opportunities. Really tasty to get into here, I think, Andre. Anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
Back home. Good to have you back for a full day here on Top Step TV.
Good to be back.
New lows crude, 56.44. Since we came on here in the fast markets, pulled down about $1. Seeing some downside pressure in the ES and the Nasdaq. Antonio, are you flat? Did you get out of that trade, or did you add into it? I just heard you were filled.
Yeah, I got filled. I went too short micros again. Same targets around the 25,100s area. Stops are currently at 268.
So you are short two in price?
Short two, yes. No, I'm short two from 251s.
5-1, very good. 251.
67.78 off the candle high, and then excuse me, previous day high, short 67.82.
You know, it push higher. And again, 72% short on that tilt in the Nasdaq. Which price from 25,252, what, to 25 points in the money there.
Yeah, if this one doesn't go, I probably won't try again.
You got no short level at this 25.16.
If this one doesn't go.
25,216, 25,200. Thank you.
All right, let's go. We're hanging around the lows of the day. The ES 763 would be new lows.
Right under that, you got 25.
There they are. There's a few stops.
Yep.
Let's go.
What do you say? 67. What was that gap fill in the ES? Just printing some new lows. 67, 61.
It's pretty far. It's 67.18 be the gap. Top of the gap, 67.30.
Yeah, YM is an untrustworthy leader.
Yeah. Would you rather short? Say the SL say short, right?
Mm-hmm.
But ES not there.
Mm-hmm. Good question.
I mean, it's a spread for sure. It's not so short. Nice. 840.
Clocking it now. 1 second. Yeah, if it's over previous day high, that's gonna be a fucking no. Especially how this candle is. That's gonna be a no if it's previous day high. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be is it? Oh yeah, we got a level down there.
Got two key levels that go through the middle of the candle.
Alright, candle close. $25,200. This candle's dipping. Let it dip, come back. I'll put 5 on it, maybe 200. If you look at the candle open, it's 34. Let this candle come back to 34, then I'll put 50 on it. Where you setting limit?
I'm gonna set my limit at the 2.
Testing SL4 now. If it breaks 4-hour low, I'd be cautious. Yeah, YM pulled back, catching demand now. Where's the S? Right under it. Yeah, right there, 62. Oh yeah, it would dip a little lower. That's right at it. Yeah, right now. What the fuck? Fucking chart. Come on, man. Leaders pulling back too. Yes, it's swollen. SL4 right there. This is good. Alright, I'm going.
Order filled.
NQ with 5. Stop under the level. Add in. Alright. you. Break even at 74. Spread 4 hour. $25,212. You see we got a level at 25.2.
25.2 is a weekly level. And then 25.180 weekly level. Monday day.
Yeah, 8 3-week high. Maintain 3-week high.
The level that we need to get over. The performance thing is going to be under low, over low. 25,250 area. Over that.
Yeah, 25, 190 hold. That's me.
Yeah, but once we get over back over, running major, because they correlated with Monday high, previous Monday high, and previous Tuesday high. Once we get over those Monday high, we get
Beautiful weight to that surfboard back up. Yeah, 50p, break even right. 10.7 high.
I got 24,260. I got 24,260. So our Tuesday level. 74.
Alright, that's my trade, guys. Right at risk.
Alright. And then just cancel time. Under 5 minutes pairs.
Yeah, for real. Especially on recovery. We're on recovery right now. So
Yeah.
get the break even and start looking around. See what it's going to do for your balance. We'll be back tomorrow. 25,170 is last week actually right there. Should have risked the extra 10.
I'm good at that. I think I'm at 69. 550.
Yeah, that's too much for me for that. I'll stay at I do 550 for 175, but if it gets down there, it's a dollar for me.
Yeah, if it starts flipping, that's all for
Yeah, true. Just keep my eyes. Alright, so 25, 212 longs, 25, 190 area, 10 3-week highs, and then we got last week high. 25, 170 right there. market, pre-market execution. What's left? Profit taking.
You use on any room and stuff up to 30, and decide this is going to pay yourself for your hard work. Basics plus systems.
Beautiful. That's for sure. Been so stiff on TP2s, TP3s. I ain't been taking no choke. No choke. Alright, good trade in, man. We did 1020, 1021. Make sure you guys take advantage of that Top Step sale. Definitely getting some new accounts today. Ends tonight. Stretching your old legs. Oh, you can't believe my foot here. I wasn't even thinking that fucking relief was for you, B. I didn't even think about that. Nah, bro. I can only imagine, cause nigga, my toe. Oh man, boy, hit his toe crazy. When I stubbed my toe, bro, I'm like Brian when he used to hit his shin like that. 25, 230. Stop loss 25, 179. Break even 25, 280.
We got that Delta is delayed data. How much
Oh, I got it now.
can you get
15 minutes, I got it now.
You can get it on MQC. 4 minutes whatever. Queen came on the 15 as well.
Yeah, on the 4 hour, that sell pressure correlated, but that might have been when it was making the dip. So. Sell pressure correlated.
Correlated.
Yeah, at the beginning of the candle, so Delta did show. Delta did show, but it is delayed, so I gotta take it for what it is till we get that updated. Working on some new order flow tools, man. Gotta do some subs and shit. I got what juice, man. Alright, that's my whole process. Calmly. Discipline, focus. Got all my specs in, proper risk. That's me, guys. Another day today. Process, man. Process, quick with it. 10:07. Yeah, 10:07 we're in. That's it, man. That's my day. Hard work of a trader. Hard work of a trader. Amazon is at 221. Let's go. Oracle's finally catching some bidders. Let's go. Yeah, it did back, but that's my longest dated play. I got 30 days on that, so. Alright, guys, check out Top Step TV, see what these boys on.
Doom just reminded me in the chat, our boy, Bitcoin man, is back, Dakota. Getting back in. He is currently short About 1,100 Bitcoin.
That same wallet?
Respect.
Yep, the wallet's back.
The wallet's back.
Dollar deal there, which
What's he
is
doing?
interesting because it's
Yeah, it looks like
We're gonna find out. All right, I'm adding to this position. Adding to these longs. Looking through these 40s. Need to see the momentum.
We missed it yesterday, Dakota, with all the other stuff going on, but it looks like this position got opened up, or he finished slapping it on
It worked.
about 22 hours ago.
Oh wow.
Size.
Yes,
Like,
yeah.
that's that easy.
Yesterday,
work.
right,
Like,
the
that
yesterday.
shit calm and chill.
These 40s. 40s. See if we get to the 50s. Start taking some of this position off.
So it's not being a process sometimes. That I worry about letting out that.
What's your average price, Dakota?
professional trader.
37, Hogue.
And it's like it's that sweet combination. of,
Thank
like,
I took one off, or 5 micros off there.
and
52.
easy four-step process. It's
Exactly.
gonna lead you to that motherfucker every
Like,
time.
it's your-
You could have went short. You know?
YM. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It's your
Yes,
guardrails
Dakota.
every
You
time.
up?
You know what I'm saying?
70.
Could have went short where I am.
How many you get in with Dakota? What's your total
Over
position?
yesterday's high.
And it leads you to
And
the
then it
next
leads you
Twenty-five.
to the NASDAQ. For you looking at ES, you're like, it's no trade here right now. It leads you to the NASDAQ. A clear Y to take the laggard.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Why so
This guy's
convicted?
looking at MQ.
Yeah, conviction. Why the conviction in this
Yeah.
this trade?
This just goes.
I mean,
and so
this
the-
this
decides to
market's
break
bullish.
out.
We
So you can
had
hold
that
it
huge
for
rally
that
yesterday,
time,
pull
you
back,
get
consolidation here on the 5 minute, and then
Yeah.
build a position here in this consolidation area, these 230s.
that it made. It's like,
And
bro,
you
it's
see
just
me
like-
add
might
every
make
time we
it.
get like a nice
Yeah,
little
you
bounce,
gas it, bro.
bounce,
I mean, you might
add,
make 2
add,
to 1
add.
close to the
Now as we push up,
SL4 hours.
I'll look to scale out in the
Yeah, you're
same
making
in the
what?
same way. So we'll push back
835.
up
You
these
make it pretty much a band
6
at
to
the
7.
SL4 hour.
We'll get another
15 at the high.
5
15 at the
micros,
high
and
is
then I'll
easy.
scale out just as I
If you
scale
get that
back.
high, then it's gonna make a new high.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? But you see just that calm, focused distance. Calm, focused distance.
Do 189. We're doing 189 right now. We're seeing crude.
Let that shit play
A
out.
little bit of a
Yeah,
relief rally, if you want to call it. We are about 40 cents off of the lows just printed. Last trade $56.
Excuse me. Either be a win with a lesson or a lesson. Either way, for real. Yeah, that's what we're here to do. Follow the 4 steps and execute. Alright guys. That's it right there, man. Gonna let this trade play out. Happy Tuesday, happy to be back. I'm gonna overwork this trade, man. Gonna go ahead and get this posted, get some shorts out for you guys. Hope everybody's trade is safe with the AWS outage yesterday. And yeah, man, we're back off vacation, man. Took a nice win off AMD that allowed us to take a good vacation, man. Good, damn near 5-figure win. So just taking it slow, man, and enjoying the fruits of our labor. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign out, man. Let this trade play out. We'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Update you guys on how we hit today, and the the road to live funded continues, man. Never stop the grind. Shout out my boy Boss behind the tables. Got a little runner here, a little runner. Alright, man. Shout out to family, all my support system. I love you guys. We out, and we got some exciting things
we
coming.
just made a high of
What's the high? 270?
69, 70, yeah.
270.
Like 5 points away from that B.
Same here. Same here. I mean, my true B is 80.
Yeah.
For real, so I'm gonna let it run. We do true B.
Yeah.
What's yours, 75?
It's 75.
Yeah, just let it clear, bro. You don't
Yeah, I
want to do
wanted
it.
to clear it,
Yeah, because you don't want to. I mean, what's the worst that
Yeah,
could happen,
yeah.
nigga? It's like, for real, we already got the premeditated loss on here. I need that shit to clear that break even.
Yeah, it's like,
And I take that shit because it can easily, on the NASDAQ, it's going to easily come back.
yeah, I need that space.
I need that space. But yeah, true break even, just follow the process. We're on step 4. For real, if we take that, we take that.
Yeah, it's like,
Alright though, guys, got some exciting things too coming. Some Twin Peaks Traders merch. We got our 10th anniversary drop coming with our clothing line Pardon. Very exciting. So cool things coming, man. Just stay tapped in. We'll be here, man. You guys trade safe. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all next time, man. We out.